Hello, welcome to GIS and remote sensing tutorials. In this video, I will walk you through the basic steps of ordering and downloading process remote sensing images from USGS website. Remember to subscribe for more videos like this. To start with, in your search engine, type landlock viewer. Click on Start Landlock Viewer to open the USGS Landlock website. Then on the Load Image window, specify the dates for your remote sensing images or data. Like for example, if you need images for 2019 from January to February, you can also set the cloud cover, maximum cloud cover, less than to 10% or less. Then select your center of interest. In this case, we'll be interested in Landsat 8, so you uncheck the rest. Then in the search window, type your place of interest. In this case, for example, Nairobi. Then click search. Then this will appear. Click show images to display the images that falls within the specified period. Then the next step is to click on metadata file or show metadata. You can see all the details of the listed images that falls within the specified time period. So the next step is to select is to copy the product ID, this product ID. So you can only copy the product ID by clicking on the details, then copy the product ID, to a text file. I've already copied several IDs here, so you can copy product ID for all the scenes that you are interested in. Then the next step is to save the product ID as a text file. So you say save, you can give it a name. My file is remote sensing order. So the next step is to open another search engine, then type ESPA USGS. Then click to open. After it opens, the window appears like this. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you are logged in. So you need to, if you don't have an account, you need to create USGS account. If you have one, remember to log in. Then click on order data for you to be able to open this window. So this is the window where you will be able to order your data from. So on the first thing you do is to add input product. So click on choose file for you to select your text file that you have saved. So my text file is remote sensing order data. Then the next thing you do is to check all the additional processing for Landsat. So you check the surface reflectance, top of atmosphere reflectance, brightness, temperature, pixel quality assessment, spectral indices like NDVI, etc. So you can specify the customization, or you can also customize the output. So if you are using ArcGIS, your output should be customized to come out as a GeoTIFF file. So you can also write some details about your order. For example, in this case we are working with Nairobi, and maybe you can specify why, or the kind of research you are doing, if it's climate change or etc. The next thing you do is to click submit for you to submit your order. So once you have submitted, you will be able to receive an email should be able to receive an email confirming your order and the track link. So when you click on this track link, you should be able to open the Earth Explorer website showing your track number and also the orders, or the product ID for each that you have ordered for. You specified in your text file all the product IDs, these ones, they should be able to appear in your track mail. Then you should also be able to see the status of your order. If the processing is complete, you should be able to see if it's complete. Once the order processing is complete, you can either do a single download by clicking on each entry and saving in your computer, or you can do a bulk download by downloading all of them at once in one folder and saving them in your computer. Remember to subscribe for more videos like this on remote sensing and GIS application. Thank you.